Welcome to AgriBot channel. Today we are looking at a powerful real-life success story from Mizoram, where integrated farming system changed the livelihood of tribal farmers. If you want to know how crop diversification, animals, fishery and smart resource recycling can transform hilly farming, this case study is very inspiring. In the Luse hills of Mizoram, shifting cultivation or jhum has long been part of the rural economy and Mizo culture. But over time, rising population pressure reduced the jhum cycle from about 25 years to only 5 to 6 years. This led to declining soil fertility, ecosystem damage and lower crop productivity. So farmers needed an alternative that could respect local conditions while improving income and sustainability. ICAR Research Complex for NEH region, Mizoram Center, Kolasib, established rice-based integrated farming system models for two farmers. One was Mr. Lalsang Khema in a mixed hill landscape with more flat land, and the other was Mrs. Lalming Mavi in steep hilly terrain. This is important because it showed that IFS can work under different land situations. The demonstrations were done under the tribal sub-plan with continuous technical guidance. These were not single crop farms anymore. The IFS models combined paddy, vegetables in winter, summer crops, livestock, poultry, fishery, plantation crops and farm waste recycling. Mr. Lalsang Khema's model included okra, paddy, brinjal, cabbage, mustard, broccoli, pigs, poultry, oil palm with turmeric and fish. Mrs. Lalming Mavi's model included sweet corn, paddy, mustard, French bean, cows, poultry, areca nut, banana and fish. A big reason for success was proper infrastructure support. Fish fingerlings were supplied regularly, ponds were renovated, and a 20,000-litre jalkand was excavated for water storage. HDPE pipe networks helped carry irrigation water to different farm components. On slopes, grasses like broom grass, hybrid napier, Guinea grass and Congo signal were planted to stabilize soil and provide fodder throughout the year. Before the intervention, both farmers mainly depended on rain-fed rice and very limited winter vegetables. After IFS adoption, long-duration local rice varieties were replaced with Gomati paddy, which matures in around 130 days. That created enough time to grow commercial winter vegetables and summer crops like sweet corn or okra. As a result, both farms reached 300% cropping intensity, meaning the land was used much more efficiently across the year. The animal component was a major game changer in both models. Improved breeds like Hampshire crossbred pigs and Vanaraja poultry increased profitability in backyard farming, while Mrs. Lalming Mavi's system used HF cows along with poultry. Fish farming with common carp and grass carp added another steady source of returns. Animals were largely maintained using on-farm fodder, native grasses and kitchen waste, with mineral supplements added when needed. One of the smartest parts of IFS is recycling. Farm wastes and byproducts were converted into useful manure through aerobic composting and vermicomposting. Together, these recycling methods contributed nearly 26% of nutrient support, reducing dependence on external inputs. The remaining nutrients came from need-based chemical fertilizers, so the whole system became more balanced and efficient. The impact numbers are really impressive. For Mr. Lalsang Khema, rice equivalent yield rose from 59.9 to 424.4 tons per hectare, while for Mrs. Lalming Mavi, it increased from 77.8 to 435.7. Benefit cost ratio improved from 0.93 to 3.20 for one farmer and from 1.22 to 3.65 for the other. Employment generation also jumped dramatically, crossing 403, 600 man-days respectively, while land utilization and input savings improved significantly. Mrs. Lalming Mavi completely shifted from rain-fed jhum to settled cultivation with areca nut and banana orchards after land development and terracing. Mr. Lalsang Khema also turned previously underused periods into profitable vegetable production seasons. Over time, both became model farmers in their villages, and ICAR organized awareness and capacity-building programs for neighboring farmers. This shows that IFS is not just a farm technique, but a practical pathway to stronger tribal livelihoods in hilly regions. So the big lesson is clear. When crops, livestock, fishery, irrigation and recycling are planned together, even difficult hill farming can become profitable and sustainable. If you found this Mizoram success story useful, do like, share and subscribe to AgriBot channel for more such practical agricultural case studies.